Hey guys, I'm playing a game. I'm playing Animal Warfare. Let's play Playside. I never played Animal Warfare, guys, so let's try it. No, he didn't. This? Nope. La 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 la. I like how they dance. That was such a cute dance. Oh, no animal. Deer. Whoa! An animal army. Oh, I got the deer. I got the deer. Boom. Boom. Oh, I love the monkey. Oh. Wait, can I do that? Cool. Boom. Boom. Yahoo! I like how they dance. Ooh. What's here? Wait, money? The beginner pack. Cool. Ooh, a tiger? You can buy a deer for free. Oh, money. Okay, let's play Battle the Grassy Plain. Oh, I got the monkey. Wait. Boom. Boom. That looks like a good formation. That's so cute. Okay, let's do this. No, wait, now there's two monkeys. Boom. Are these missions? Kill more. Sweet. Boom. Another. I got a boar and a deer. Boom. Cool. Boom. Dude, my deer is so tall. No. Open! I got another monkey. No thanks. No time. Or else I'll do this. Boom! Dunk. Boom. What do you throw? Boom. Whoa. Okay, guys. After we get to the boss, I'm gonna end this. Boom. Laying there. Boom. One more. This is the last one, guys. Wait, was that a gorilla? It just threw like something. Was that a bear? Boom. Wait, I feel like that wasn't the boss. Cool. Oh, guys, there's the boss, the skull. I got another deer. Boom. Let's do this. Boom. Boom. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm so OP. When we get to that skull, I'm ending this video. Boom. Okay, last one. Borzilla. Nature. Boom. Die, Borzilla. Oh my god, that killed him in one hit. Boom. Okay. Destroyed. Yes. Later. Wait just a minute. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.